In this video, I will show you a simple method to calculate the current AC sizing using room dimensions and a BTU calculations. Before calculating the AC size, let's understand the tonnage. AC capacity is measured in tons. 1 ton, 1 ton of AC is equal to 12,000 BTU per hour. Similarly, 1.5 ton AC provides 18,000 BTU per hour, and 2 ton AC provides 1000 BTU per hour. Let's consider that room has 12 feet width and 12 feet length, and we calculate the area of the room is equal to length into, we find that into 12 feet, it comes 144 square feet. A common rule that each square foot requires approximately 120 BTU of cooling. That means 1 square feet requires 120. That means, so we got area of the room is 144 square feet into 120. The, the cooling required becomes 17,280 BTU. We know that 1 ton of AC requires 12,000 BTU per hour. So for giving this value, I divided 12,000. So it comes 1.44 tons. In market, standard size is 1 ton and 1.5 ton and 2 ton. It similar to in nearby 1.5 ton. So for required square feet, the AC required is 1.5 ton.